welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the MSXTTLY vacuum magnetic phone holder. This is a completely MagSafe compatible phone mount system for your car that uses vacuum technology for making it stick, which is super cool. So let's open it up and take a look at it. A nice little tab down here at the bottom to make getting it open really easy. Pull it out, and there you have it there. That's the mount, and you can see very nice looking design, very premium looking. It's going to look good in your car. Let's take a look at what else comes in there, and then we'll take a closer look at the stand itself. Of course, you've got your user manual with your instructions. You've got some things to help you mount it if you need them. Got your wet wipe and dry wipe, because you want to make sure you're adhering to a clean surface. So you've got those in there to make sure your surface is prepped correctly. And then you've got several discs here. Now this will help if you have a phone that is not MagSafe, then you can use this. Put this on your phone or your case to make it work with this mount, so they include that as well. And then you have some mounting helps here. These are nano gel pads, so this can help stick if you want to stick it to say glass or something, but you don't want to stick it right on the glass. You can use these gel pads for that. And then this is your traditional sticky pad. If you want to put it like on your dash, then you could use this to stick to your dash, and then the mount would stick to that. So they do include those in the package. And then this is the device itself. You can see the MSXTTLY logo right there. Nice and small, not too too big or too in your face, just kind of subtle there. And then you've got your MagSafe ring here, and you can see it does, there's different ways you can mount this, and this bends, and so, you know, and this twists, so you can, you know, have it facing the direction you want to have it face, and have it, you know, set up the way you want to set it up, which is great. And then here you've got your vacuum suction, and again, this is not the sticky kind. This is a vacuum. It's meant to be vacuum sealed to whatever you're sticking it to. That's why it's important that you have the right surface to stick it to, and that's why they include the gel pads and things in the box. And then you're going to stick it on there, and then you can see you've got your directions here. You turn it that way to tighten it, and that's what creates the vacuum seal. When you turn it that way, you're creating that vacuum seal to tighten it. And then if you need to remove it, you would turn it the opposite way, turn it this way, and that would loosen it up. So very simple design and construction, but creates a really nice vacuum tight seal so that it will hold your phone and work in your car. And yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for a complete video demo and review of the product. Subscribe to my channel for this playlist so you can keep up with that, as well as other tech, gadget, product reviews, household product reviews that I do. If you have any questions about this, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.